place in the middle of nowhere, it's more of a magical experience. Just, there's nothing around really to bug you. No cell reception, no Wi-Fi. It's just, you're out in it. But every time you turn a corner, there's something cool to look at, something beautiful to see, nature.
You can rent a boat, or you can take a horseback ride through the mountains with a guide. You can also do a lot of hiking, fly fishing lessons too. We offer those. It's just a great place to get outdoors and have a good time.
So here at the lodge, we're open 7 to 7, and 90% of the things we have is made in-house.
Oh gosh, the food in the lodge is amazing. I cannot tell you, sometimes I work in the restaurant and I cannot tell you how many compliments we get on our burgers. Yesterday one man said it was like eating a steak but a burger, and so the food's really good.
The lodge, we have just cabins. We don't allow any campsite places, but just across the road at the Shepherd's Rim campground, there's the Himes Peak, Shepherd's Rim, Horse Thief, and all that. So the campground's right across the road, basically.
Being outside and being able to go up onto the flat tops and see all the wildlife and just everything changing, all the trees changing colors and the flowers coming and going.
Oh, it changes people. Just being out here, because you're not always worrying about what's going on. You don't have to worry about the work that needs to be done or the chores at the house that needs to be cleaned up or this or that. It's quiet.